Okay, I decided to pick a little bit easier lock today. This is a Yale 5-pin cylinder lock. Okay, it's locked up. This is a bitting on the key. So let's open it up, take a look at the pins. Okay, let's see if we can use bottom of the Keyway, and we're going to try this little pick. So let's go with the bottom of the Keyway. Okay, there's a little bit on pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. I believe a little bit on 5, pin 4, pin 1. We got a pretty good false set going. There's more of a false set on pin 5 then. Okay, pin 5 feels like it needs to be set, like it's maybe a spool. Okay, there it is, open on pin 5. Alright, let's take a look at the pins. Okay, that worked out nice. Okay, number 1 pin is serrated. Number 2 pin is serrated. 3 pin is serrated. 4 serrated. 5 is serrated. Let's take a look at the plug. Okay, all 5 chambers are threaded. No counter milling. Okay, let's take a look at our top pins now. Let me straighten these out a little bit. Okay, pin 1, just like that. Pin 2, whoops, we lost pin 2. It went somewhere flying. Alright, let's get the rest out and then I'll look for pin 2. Let's get pin 3 out. Okay, there's pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Okay, here is the pin 2. It fell over there. Okay, let's get the springs out. Take a closer look at the okay, every pin chamber in this is threaded, all 5. Hard to see at that angle, but they're all threaded. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, pin 1 and 2, serrated key pins, similar to acetype pin, I believe. This is a spool, another acetype pin, and serrated key pins. Number 5 is a very deep cut mushroom type spool and a serrated key pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Yale 5-pin cylinder lock. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again for watching. I appreciate it.